In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split view in Adobe Acrobat for PC and Mac. If you work with long PDFs or need to compare different sections of the same document, this feature can save you a lot of time and clicks. It's built right into Acrobat, and the process is the same on both Windows and Mac. So you can follow along no matter which computer you are using. Start by opening the PDF you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat. With your document open, look to the top of the screen for the menu bar and click on Window. In that menu, select Split. The moment you do, Acrobat divides your workspace into two panes, side by side. You'll see a divider running between them. And that's your control for resizing. Just click and drag the divider left or right to give more room to the pane you are focused on. Each pane is completely independent. Click once inside a pane to make it active. Then scroll normally with your mouse, trackpad, or the scroll bar. The other pane won't move, which makes it perfect for keeping one section in view while you explore another part of the document. You can even set different zoom levels in each pane, so one side can show a big picture overview while the other is zoomed in for details. This is especially helpful when you are reviewing figures or footnotes and want to keep the main text visible. Split view is ideal for side-by-side comparison or for navigating long files without losing your place. For example, you might keep a glossary or a references section open in the left pane and read the main content in the right. Or keep an overview page visible while you scrutinize a chart several pages away. Because the panes are independent, you can jump around freely in one without affecting the other, making it easy to stay oriented. If the panes ever feel cramped, remember you can adjust the divider on the fly. And if a pane isn't responding the way you expect, make sure it's active by clicking inside it before you scroll or change the zoom. Also, keep in mind that split only changes how you view the document. It doesn't alter the file itself, so here is nothing extra to save. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.